Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing a product review of the Gold Chef Anti-Flare Grill. Fantastic product, great for a lot of applications, so let me walk you through this. So let's get going. First up, I want to say that this product can be used for indoor and outdoor applications. And it's great because it simply runs on a standard propane cylinder that you can buy in just about any store. The parts are relatively simple. You have your thermo tray, you can buy trays for this, or the tray provided just sits in there fairly nice, just something like that. You have your front panel, which is your burner panel, of course your sparker, and the rack just simply rolls out like this. You can put your grease tray or drip tray below. Next up, you have your grilling basket, which just sits on the rack simply, and something like this, and it's adjustable. After that, you have your control panel, which adjusts the heat, your sparker, and there's a heat shield in between this. Okay, let's go ahead and fire this up by pushing the knob in and pressing the igniter button. And there you go. If you want to have a look at the front, the grill's lit up now, and I have to mention that this gets really hot really fast. It'll reach 800 degrees C in about 2 minutes or less. Okay, what I'm going to do today is go ahead and grill up a chicken breast simply by opening the grilling basket, place my seasoned breast on, and close the basket up. Onto the grill, and I'm going to place this about the second rack to begin with. I should also mention that this product can be used indoor or outdoors. It's great for camping too. What I really enjoy about the Gold Chef is you can grill the meat on different angles to make sure it's thoroughly cooked, or even flip it out on the rack and do a bit of a rotisserie, manual rotisserie. So we're going to flip this. It's done on one side, and simply do it for another couple of minutes on the other side. After about 4 to 5 minutes, the juices are dripping clear, so we're going to kill the heat. And it looks absolutely beautiful, so we're ready to dig in. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out before we dig in. So that concludes our review of the Gold Chef Anti-Flare Grill. In my opinion, it's a good product, especially if you're camping, and I'll put all the information for this product in the description section below. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.